Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So I am so excited to be bringing you this video because I am going to be unboxing the December Goodbeing Box. This is my first ever Goodbeing box. Goodbeing reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their box and feature it on my channel and my Instagram. And I said yes, because Goodbeing checks a lot of boxes for me. First of all, it's Reagan approved. If you guys don't know who Reagan is, she has the channel Indie Boo, and I love her. If you aren't subscribed to her, go check her out. And she is the first person I really heard talking about this box, and she loves it. It is basically her favorite subscription box. So I already knew, I was like, if Reagan likes it, it is a good thing. So when they reached out to me, I was like, yes, I would love to try this box. And one of the things that drew me to this box is it's an affordable box. It's $24.95 per box. So I am a huge fan of more affordable subscription boxes because you don't get to entirely control what is in the box. At least when it's more affordable, you're not paying a ton of money to get a product that you're then like, oh, I don't really like that. This subscription box wasn't worth it for me. I am an affiliate for Goodbeing, so if you would like to try out the Goodbeing subscription box, if you use my link, I would greatly appreciate that. Not only does it help support Naturally Beautiful Girl, but it also would allow me to continue doing these unboxings. So if you would like me to continue doing them and showing the products on my channel, on my Instagram and stuff, if you could use my link, that would be really helpful. I do make a small commission, but it doesn't add any additional charge to you. It just helps me run my little channel and keep trying out non-toxic beauty products for you guys. Okay, so let me get into it. One of the things I liked immediately about the Goodbeing box is that you have to fill out a survey. And this survey was the most detailed survey I've ever seen for a subscription box. So shout out to Goodbeing for a really detailed survey. That impressed me because I felt like, okay, the products I'm going to get in this box really are catered to what I like. So there are two separate boxes. There is a beauty box and a lifestyle box. The beauty box is really just beauty products. The lifestyle box does have beauty products in it, but it also has supplements, superfoods, basically non-toxic living products. So you can really choose whether you want just a beauty box or a beauty plus box is what I'll call it. They're both the same price at $24.95. Also, Goodbeing is not specifically vegan, but you can specify in this very detailed survey whether you want only vegan products. That way, if you are a vegan, you can control what you are receiving. Great option if you're vegan as well. Goodbeing, unlike really any other subscription box, does allow you to pick typically 2 of your products. So you will get some random products based off of your very detailed survey you filled out, which to me means that they are going to be catered to you. But you also get to actually pick some of the products as well. So I feel like it's kind of the best of all worlds. I feel like you can really get the subscription box catered to what you want. So let's jump into my December box. I have already taken a peek at it and I already know there's some exciting stuff in here. And why I took a peek in here is what I typically like to do is I will try out any products that I can before I do my unboxing video, and then I will like demo any makeup products so you guys can see me using them. Let's just jump right in. I'm gonna start off, I think, by the 2 products I picked out. So one of the products I saw as an option for this month's box, I was like, I have to have this. I really want to try this out. So this is the Ursa Major deodorant. This is their travel sample size. It is not their unscented version, it is their mint and eucalyptus version. But why I wanted to try this? I love trying deodorants. It's kind of a weird thing, but I do enjoy trying them out. And I've heard so many people say so many good things about the Ursa Major deodorant. One of my all-time favorite conventional beauty YouTubers, Coffee Break with Danny, she had been looking for a non-toxic deodorant, tried a whole bunch, ended up falling in love with this one, the unscented version, but falling in love with the Ursa Major deodorant. And when I saw that she fell in love with it, I was like, kind of need to try it. Also, I'm having a little bit of a love affair with Ursa Major products in general. So I haven't had a chance to test this out yet. I've been trying out another deodorant. I'm really looking forward to trying this out. I have very high hopes for it. And this is quite a nice substantial travel size. I feel it's 1.65 fluid ounces. So I feel like I'm gonna be able to really test this out and really figure out if it works or not. So I have high hopes for you, so hopefully you work well. Another product I picked out, which is a little bit out of my wheelhouse, but I felt like it was a kind of treat yourself moment. I picked out from Bonnie Natural their bubble bath, and this is the chamomile and lavender scent. And I love lavender, we already know this, and I like chamomile, it's super relaxing, and I just felt like this could be the ultimate, this soothing bubble bath. And I'm not a huge bath taker, but I was like, a bubble bath sounds really good and maybe would get me into taking baths. I don't do it often, but every time I do, I'm like, why do I not do this more? So I'm really looking forward to trying this out. I have not tried it yet, but it smells amazing. It smells like lavender. And it's in this really cute little glass bottle. I feel like this could be a really pretty bottle to have sitting out on your counter. It's made in Chicago, which I lived in Chicago for 4 years, so I also have a little bit of a soft spot for Chicago. I am really looking forward to trying it out. I also got in this month's box, which I was also really excited about, I believe it's called Jivi. It's a body butter infused with magnesium, and I got the scent La Paloma. And it is basically a body butter that you're supposed to massage onto your muscles after exercising and before you go to bed to help your muscles recover and also promote a good night's sleep. I'm excited about this because I'm hoping that this will inspire me to go back to the gym. It smells amazing. I guess I don't really know what the scent Paloma is, but it smells really good. Not floral at all, kind of a little spicy almost. A little spicy almost, but it's an interesting consistency. It's not as solid as I thought it would be. It's softer, which I think will make it easy to apply. And honestly, I needed to go to the gym badly. I was going for a while. I was going to Zumba actually. Then our Zumba instructor ended up moving to California and I kind of fell off the bandwagon of going to the gym. So I actually feel inspired by this product to go to the gym because then I can use this product afterwards. So I definitely am looking forward to testing this out. I think it'll be really nice. And I really just like the thought of it too, of like massaging it into your muscles after you exercise. I feel like it'd be a very soothing and hopefully help your muscles recover as well. We also got this really cute bee bracelet, and it's from the brand Be Magical. 10% of the sale of each of these bracelets will go to help support the New York Bee Sanctuary. Yeah, it's a really cute little bracelet, and it's, you know, promoting awareness about bees, which are super important to the environment, and you know, they're not doing so well right now. So I really like this and appreciate that this was in the box as well. Bees are our friends. We wouldn't have plants, we wouldn't have food to eat without them. So yeah, I really like this. And then the final product we got in this box is from Juice Beauty. This is one of their cream shadow sticks, and I've tried one of these before and didn't have the best luck with it, but this is a different shade than I originally had, so I'm gonna try it out now for you guys and we're gonna see how it works. The box does come with all these little cards and it tells you a little bit of information about each one of the products, and for this one they actually did give instructions on how to use this. The card says to prep eyelid with a finishing powder, pat the first color of shadow stick on the brow bone, second color on the eyelid. So basically to put down a powder first. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of my 14E Prime and Set powder to my eyelids, and then we will go in with the shadow stick. Yes, for the record, I already do have on mascara. I feel like I look kind of silly without mascara, so I didn't want to film this whole video with no mascara on. Okay, so the shadow stick I have is in the shade 30 Horizon, which is this kind of purple smoky shade. Here, let me swatch it for you. Yeah, it's kind of a nice purpley shade. I'm just going to try and apply this to my eyelid. We'll see what we get. I'm gonna try putting it onto my finger and then applying it to my eyelid first. We'll try that. All right. It's giving me a faint wash of color. You can see I have something on this eye and not something on this eye, but let me just try going in directly with the stick. I'm not getting a ton of pigment, but I feel like if you just want a light wash of color on your eye, a very easy kind of one eyeshadow look, this could definitely give it to you. I'm gonna go ahead and finish applying shadow to the other eye. Like I said, if you want a very light, kind of effortless, easy eye look, I feel like this worked well. You know, I got some color on my lid, but it was pretty easy. Definitely the easiest way to apply this is to just go directly on your lid with the shadow stick instead of doing it on your finger and then dabbing onto your eye. I found it much easier to just apply it to the lid and then dab it out with my finger. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this box. Do you get the Goodbeing box? Are you interested in getting it? Does it seem cool and fun to you? I really like that you have so much choice in the matter, that you get to pick some of the products and that you fill out a survey and really do get a customized selection of products. And I think it's at a good price too. You can do either beauty or beauty and lifestyle. I just feel like it's a good box and I'm really excited to get it, and I can understand why Reagan likes it so much. So let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section down below. And if you are thinking about subscribing, I would appreciate it if you use my links. So thank you so much. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more non-toxic beauty content. Also, check out my Instagram. I'll have my handle down below. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirl. I have tons of other fun content on there, so be sure to follow me there. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!